Hello friends, in this video I will guide you through how to fix Riot Client not opening or launching. First, close Riot Client and ensure it's not running in the background by right-clicking on it and selecting Exit. Next, open the command prompt as an administrator by searching for CMD, running it as admin, and typing ipconfig/flushdns, followed by ipconfig/release, and then ipconfig/renew. After that, type netsh winsock reset and netsh interface IP reset. Then exit the command prompt and restart your computer. Once restarted, go to the Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center, and change adapter settings. Double-click on your current network connection, click Properties, and select Internet Protocol version 4, or TCP/IPv4. Check Obtain an IP address automatically and use the following DNS server addresses. Then enter 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Click OK and try launching Riot Client again. If it works, you can also try changing the DNS server addresses to 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Close everything, and you should be good to go. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.